Stanley Black & Decker Fat Max Power Washer, 3400 PSI. This is what comes in the package. You have the instructions, and it comes with oil, and you put all this oil in there, and it comes with a manual, also a little hose for your chemicals and your different size of pressure. Also come with your wheels, and they just snap right on. And you got a handle here, and you put all your fittings there on your handle, and you got your sprayer and nozzle, and you got your hose for your spray and nozzle, and your generator itself. And I explain later on how to crank it and everything. Okay, I finally got the generator put together. So I'm gonna tell you a few things about it. This is the Stanley Black & Decker Fat Max. It's 3400 PSI. Your gas go here, and they also give you oil. And the oil goes right here. Just screw this off and pour the whole package in there. And you also have your choke and your gas. Open your gas. You see right here it says on. That can get very confusing, but that is actually off. You turn it on that way if you can see the error. And your choke is on right there. So as you can see, it's on right now. And you want to turn your switch to on. And once you do that, make sure your water and everything is plugged in, and you're ready to go. But the instructions come with it. It's pretty simple. Just follow the instructions.